Hi everyone, I'm Lynn. If you're like me, you've probably noticed the recent surge in Micron Technology's $MU stock price. But is this just another classic memory chip cycle? You know, the usual boom and bust? Today, I'm bringing you an exclusive deep dive valuation report from Alphapilot, analyzing Micron Technology $MU. According to this report, my price target is $257.34. This isn't your typical valuation analysis. It shows that Micron is at the heart of the AI supercycle, and the market is clearly underestimating its long-term value. Let's break down the report step by step and uncover the investment logic behind it. The Alphapilot report highlights that artificial intelligence is fundamentally changing the economics of the memory industry through skyrocketing demand for high-bandwidth memory, HBM. Micron is uniquely positioned. It's the only advanced memory manufacturer in the US and a leader in HBM3E technology. Even more impressive, their HBM capacity is already sold out through 2026. This isn't a short-term spike. It's a multi-year wave of AI infrastructure investment that gives Micron unprecedented revenue visibility and pricing power. In simple terms, the more AI grows, the more secure Micron's profits become, far beyond the traditional memory cycles of the past. Now, the most interesting part of the report, the sum of the parts, SOTP, valuation. Micron's 4 business segments were valued independently. Conservatively, the baseline per share value comes out to $86.65. So why is the stock trading around $223.77? The market is clearly pricing in a premium for high-growth, AI-focused strategic assets, value that traditional discounted cash flow models can't fully capture. In other words, the market has already recognized Micron's potential in the AI supercycle. The report also highlights 3 key qualitative factors that justify the $257.34 target price. Geopolitical moat. Micron is the only DRAM manufacturer in the US. Its multi-billion-dollar fabs in Idaho and New York are more than capital investments. Their strategic advantages that likely secure CHIPS Act funding and create a long-term supply chain moat. Structural pricing power. The complexity of HBM production and high capital barriers in the industry create scarcity. Micron's pricing power is expected to last through 2026, supporting strong margins and sustainable free cash flow. Design wins technology leadership. Micron's leadership in HBM3E and next-generation technologies ensures continued design wins with top AI players, making it increasingly indispensable in future computing infrastructure. Together, these factors drive the stock from a conservative baseline of $86.65 up to our target price of $257.34. According to the report, applying a 15% premium to the current price reasonably reflects the opportunity versus execution and geopolitical risks. Target price equals $223.77 by 1. 15 equals $257.34.
Now, to give you a clearer idea of how our valuation process actually works, let's take a look at the Alphapilot valuation tool in action. This is the same tool we use for data analysis and value assessment in our reports, and it's what keeps our conclusions rigorous, consistent, and fully objective. We've always believed that transparency and advanced technology are the foundation of trust. So by showing you exactly how Alphapilot operates, we hope you'll gain an even stronger sense of confidence in our analytical process.
The recommendation, accumulate, buy. This is an opportunity for growth-minded investors to get in on the front lines of the AI revolution. Key catalysts over the next 12 to 18 months include HBM product milestones, confirmation of CHIPS Act funding, continued strong memory pricing. Of course, risks remain. Potential delays in new fabs, intense competition from Samsung and SK Hynix, and geopolitical uncertainty. But the report suggests the market has already priced in these factors. Do you think $257.34 is conservative, or is the market overheated? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoy this type of deep dive analysis, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.